Ladies, do not do these dining etiquette mistakes that I see so many, even affluent ladies do. Don't be one of those. In this video, you will find out exactly which etiquette mistakes you shouldn't be doing. My dear elegant ladies, welcome back to another video. Ladies, today we're going to talk about those important don'ts of what not to do at the dining table when you are having, let's say, lunch or dinner. Still, so many ladies are doing this, and this is why we need to educate ourselves and improve ourselves not to do those very, very common mistakes. So let's start. Elegant ladies never place the wine glass in the wrong place after they had a sip. The wine glass does not belong here. When you have a goblet as a water glass, this is the correct position. No, ladies, elegant ladies, they never cut the salad leaves in a salad. A salad leaf should be eaten as it is and never cut, so please do not make that mistake. Elegance mistake number 3. You never do a sandwich. This is not how you eat bread. Instead, ladies, you break off small bite-sized pieces and then you apply. Etiquette mistake number 4. If you are going to refill your own glass, do not just refill your own glass, always refill your table partner's glass as well. They always go first, before you. Then you can refill your own. Number 5, elegant ladies never do the Robocop. This is the Robocop, ladies, and we do not rest our cutlery like this when we are taking a break from eating. Instead, this is how it's done. Like an inverted V. Elegant ladies know in which direction their knife should be poking. Never outward, always inwardly, and keep it like this at all times. So this is not an appropriate way of eating, but believe me, people still do this, even in affluent circles. Number 7, elegant ladies never apply makeup at the table. You go to the bathroom for this. Elegant ladies, they never drink wine like this. I'm talking now about where you hold the wine glass. You know, you should never grab it around the bowl like this. You should always drink it like this, by the stem. Plus also, if you would ever grab it like this and then you rest your elbow on the table, ladies, that doesn't look very elegant. It might look French, but it's not necessarily elegant. Ladies, I get a runny nose from time to time, but in no circumstance ever are you allowed to pull out your tissues and do this and start blowing your nose like this in public. It just does not look elegant whatsoever. If you have a little emergency, it's okay to just quickly dab it, but try to go to the restroom for anything that is related for the nose. Number 10, elegant ladies, they never put their tissue on the plate, on the food like this when the meal has ended. You just never do that. In most formal etiquette, your napkin is placed on the left side if you're eating in British style. Now, ladies, you know what not to do at the restaurant. Make sure to watch my next video, 10 things elegant ladies never do, and you're going to learn more about elegance in that video. I will see you there.